What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mari, once again, MultiMillionaireMari, giving you guys a quick little tutorial on how to fund up with KOT. Right, there we go. So now we're in our KOT. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to first make sure that you have an account. Right, you want to make sure that you have account or whatever the case may be. Right, but now you want to go ahead and you want to fund up. Okay, so after you make your account or whatever, okay, after you make your account, it says create an account. You're going to log in. You're going to do KOT, MT4, USD, and select the certain leverage that you want. And then you're going to create that account. And what they're going to do is they're going to now send you an email to whatever email you signed up with. Okay, to whatever email you signed up with. And you're going to see MT4 new account created. Okay, new account created. All right, and they're going to send you your account number, and they're also going to send you your password, and you're going to copy and paste that straight to your MetaTrader 4. All right, then after you do that, you want to go ahead and you want to fund up. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's get funded up. I'm going to do credit card debit with Instacoin, and I'm going to do 200. Then you want to do the internal transfer. As you guys can see, the money is now inside of my wallet. So I'm going to do wallet to MT4, USD 120, and then I'm going to move it to my new account. I'm going to do 100. Okay. Boom. And once you log into your trading account, it will be there, guys. So I hope you guys got some value from this.
Hoje é segunda-feira! If you get to hear me now, bora lá, galera!